Gina Mwakuna no. But Munye Gina Nigeria na Ogi, Ineti, oh God. So many people got boop taking one on the street, boop taking Yanina, boop taking one on the street. One Haman boop taking me. So many people then get music ame paparazzi. Apote one and realize. One and realize will take a duni, Oyabune Wolungazi, and a Tiakano Fefele. This is not life. He ain't Naguna Ablo life. Need the four Tiakano Fungas, Nelly, Fela, name one love, Obulo life. In a Takatako, in a west na street. One day I got in the street of Benji. I saw something different. I found something different. We're belling the buy on a street. Kedonyi nyelego isi na oga akwụgo ụgwọ. Onwonyi nyelego ya dobeligi. I can travel until you change. Most people on the street now. That province, that state, you know, that state cannot for the past 10 years. You see, in another state, in another state. Careful how dangerous a street is. Most people now watch him now. That place, you know, for the past 10 years, we've been for the past 10 years. That environment alone, some people, the complex, that building, you know, we've been for the past 10 years. You may travel outside that state. Because availability of everything. They are available at all time. Even at your disposal. You will only can at your disposal. You will only learn to at your disposal. You will put to Nimon in a ball. You will only in a case. You will walk with a guinea and a bucafia. You will even at your disposal. One day may be in my mountain travel. I swear you can never go back home. A lot of Fundebai, Amalan and Wapuna game a Kuzieli case at Bafia. A lot of Fundebai and Abafia today. Bumwa on the street Kuzieli case at Bafia. A lot of Fundebai today cannot resist the temptation in the street. It's overwhelming, and many people cannot even withdraw from such. Abago na abago on the street, that favorite. That famous word and a boss on near on a street and a quote can people discourage when the money from boss one day boss on a street you go you have to remember where you came from. So many people are not go by and I thank God for them. And they went home and I started afresh. And I'm buying where we don't see. Yes. When Mohamed Airport 2015 Campton Airport Koishinana. The money name chain and Woyala. I will know that this dispensation we can for a same year and team in a Facebook. I don't care. The culture. That same culture kind of practice. That same culture kind of so. That very culture kind of so. From morning till night in the same time. Guy, what's up? Guy, how far? Man, no boy, put a guy just so kind of. I got what a tanana. I got not together. I got no more. I guess I'm the whole day is only in Samuel. No more, in Sekana, in Secolos. And when you see them and the mafia, there's nothing else. Go, ja, go. Get a walk on an bed. The same walk on Emala Boshi. A walk on Emala Boshi. Kakiniano in on the street, Mwakune Malebos, Emayan Bo, Emago Mwakunambo, and Dibugo lawyer on the street. Many people are not on the street today. The unfortunate truth, because Nibulugo on the street. Ibulugo on the street. A man that was from street, because Nibulugo. At the end of the day, one day you can change your location. I have to turn my back. I have to turn 360 before I can get myself. At the time of decision making, the lawyer one day he got no back. He got no bongo. He got no back, no boda. He got chocolate na fly bongo. And say I want the team na fly. A lot of you people make a good decision today. How many times they ever go ticket? I send go look at go ticket from Nigeria. Most people, family girls send go more than 10 times in on the street to Kupia they go no on the street to Takolu. The highest in game in a street in Ibu's a junk in a street, one neighbor a junk in Kegaga go na street. A lot of you people cannot get the help that you need. How many people can street favor? When I talk about street, how many people can street favor? The real people now control the street. I get it from suburb. I get it from home and daughter. I got one with moto. I get boom my and moto. I got just to take in a street. MP boot and I'm that is all. And after that time, go get a mark when I get that girl love will get yes, because I want a choice than to like you. Don't be deceived by the love you want outside that country. Yes. In my code that hotel Ubu. And I compare to one over the Utuma buy a skin and you lost your purpose. That is the basic of my message today. Lost purpose, lost hope. I need to talk about this, and every person need to make awareness about these things. Our people are perishing in the street in numbers that you and I cannot comprehend. This topic has been long overdue, that we don't want to talk about it. Long overdue that nobody wants to touch this topic. Everybody feel like it's now this topic is very, very sensitive. It's not sensitive, my people. It's a lost hope. If I go in the first time, it will go 7 years first time, it will 3 years first time. But talk about street, it can't make the same thing. If you go and get the second time, if you talk about street, it can't make the same thing. One day by the time you now will go all your years going inside and coming out, one day it could get more than 16 years. Time is the most precious thing. And when people want never know this condition now, they don't know what to do. They don't know what to say. We are calling out those factors that are holding back our people. You can wire so near our people. Ndi buteloya so near our people. Then in the low self-esteem so near our people. Then in the non-gas so near our people. Then in the addicted so near our people. Let's go. People is wasting of their time. And that time, you can never recover that time because time is the most precious thing after your life. Time is equal to life. Na street kika fo na babusu. Oga na babusu chezo onwe. When ogu obu ni ibido, the first time ibido the ogu game waga no in control. Ogu bu the woman being can touch. Ogu ga lio gidegi babo ja. Omotelene goes go overwhelm or it will conquer you, it will conquer you. Oguga conquer your first 1 month, you are still in control. Ikaga na piati, ikaga na dress well. Ikaga na timuki na moto nyamoto ofuma. Ikaga na kumo ofuma. I give you 2 months. Ikaba another frequency, ikaba another frequency. Until you enter 6 months, Oguga be go sink your end. Oguga be go take away control. By the time in a 1 year, one nigga will phone get one affair. By the time in a 2 years, one nigga park motor get will motor get affair. By the time in a 3 years, one nigga now losing ilo. A lot of them are losing ilo on the street today. They cannot afford anything to pay for their rent. Hana affair and they are on the street, but in the paper we hope on them. On the street, kick for money will number nine. Connected to Nigeria. Will not be connected to Nigeria. Block of anine. Otolonza call Nigeria. On a street. The same place is she. Kitozi Zakolo. The same place is she. What a mess. Can you name the life of our people? Do to if you go to table, you want glass table. If it's a casino, after 200 in the name table, you will go to bank card. In a line after a line taff you team game what was a casino on a street and the game what was in a 1 night in one account, but you know what I feel now about. You know, I see it in Bob Ibu Kanaka, in our light, Bob in our light, but a big light you, if a big ash you, if a big yen to begin shish, a man of Nigeria, because they wanted to go. The same one now bag lighter, and when I kiss wait to be, one now we and chemical way general. The same one now not chemical, and make a tip here, one now and all with no so. I can open the you cannot finish it.